Why couldn't he use another picture? Why couldn't he use another picture? Why should I constantly shift and change my life to accommodate this Chris Excel person? He could have used any other picture, honestly. He could have used a picture of a plant, but he decided to use my picture, knowing the implications of that. Because if he thought, oh no, this was just innocent, he could have used his picture. But he knows the backlash that would come with the things that he says, the stuff he does. So he decided to use my picture. But now I'm receiving all that backlash. Guys, when I say I've taken a hit financially, I mean that. When I say I have to constantly explain myself, be it in corporate, be it with influencing, I constantly have to explain myself with this Chris Excel thing. With personal relationships, when I meet people, hi, how are you? Are you that? I constantly have to explain this Chris Excel thing. I kid you not, I just moved to Cape Town, and it's the same thing as Joburg. I'll be grocery shopping and I see the stairs, and those that are brave enough to come, they ask, your face looks familiar. Are you that girl from Twitter? This thing is following me. It's literally like hoovering over me. I can't get away from it. And still, you guys come on my comments, you insult me, you call me all sorts of names as if I deserve this thing. I don't know what I did. All I ever did, maybe that you took offense to, and I don't even understand why, is ask that my picture please not be used. Respectfully so. And gracefully so. The biggest thing I did maybe is sitting down with Penwell, because I know Penwell, that is my brother. And he always sends me like things on WhatsApp about this, like even before I sit with him. So I felt like, okay, let me do that with him. Maybe it will change, and still nothing. So guys, please give me a break, honestly. Can I just live my life? If you feel like I'm benefiting from Chris Excel, sharp. That's your idea. Live with that. But don't insult me. Don't antagonize me. Keep that in Twitter, on X, whatever it's called. Keep that there. But leave me out of it, please. This is wild. This is insane. But I'm not fighting. I was just responding to all the shenanigans that's currently happening under my TikTok post, and obviously asking you still to please remove my picture as your profile picture. I don't even know if this is the real you, which is another, implication of you using my picture. Now, there's hundreds of these profiles, and I don't know which one's real. I don't know who's you. It's insane. That also makes the legalities a lot more complex. But yeah, I don't even know if this is you. I have an idea that could get you to remove my picture. And can even make you money. So what you can do, you see all these people that follow you, you can even find some on my comments. Just go to my comment sections, you'll find some. All these people that follow you, so you could ask them to send in their pictures, and then every month you have a thing, maybe you can call it President of the Month. So they'll send in their pictures. The people that want to be your profile photo can send in their pictures, and then you choose who you want for that month, and that person has to pay 1,000, I don't know, 2,000. You decide how much you want, and then you have them as your profile picture for that month, and they can get the benefits. I'm getting benefits from you using my picture, so then they can get the benefits and they're happy. So all the people that follow you, can be happy. You can be happy. I hope this makes sense. You can be happy, you're getting money, and I can be happy living my quiet life, So you can do that. Ask your supporters, the people who love what you do and support you and are always insulting people on your behalf. Ask them, and you can make it a thing, and everybody's happy, and you're not hurting anybody. You're not disturbing anybody's peace. You're just continuing your shenanigans on X. I think that's a good idea. You can be getting your shmoney, honey. That's a good idea. And everybody's happy. And everything is consented. See?